SVA just got issued.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 607, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Kent. This is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement in Maryland, Caroline, and Talbot.
Oh.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and the following counties: Kent, Delaware, and Caroline, Maryland, and Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Will you repeat? No, you won't. You're not going to repeat.
Weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 607 has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: Kent, Delaware, and Caroline, Maryland, and Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Smith Point to Windmill Point, Virginia, Chesapeake Bay from Windmill Point to New Point Comfort, Virginia, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:09 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near mouth of the Potomac River to 6 nautical miles northwest of Longs Creek Inlet to Irvington, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Windmill Point, Lower Bernard Island, Nanduipungo Reef, Crisfield, Anglers Reef, Tangier Island, Stingray Point, Smith Point, Onincock Inlet, Occohannock Reef, Watts Island, Longs Creek Inlet, San Marcos Wreck, and Northern Neck Reef. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island, tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:11 p.m., strong thunderstorm was located near mouth of the Potomac River, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Yokosuka River, Ewell, Point Lookout, Tangier Sound, Smith Island, Deep Hole, mouth of the Potomac River, St. George Island, Southwest Middle Grounds, Deal Island, and Crisfield. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Kent County in central Delaware, northeastern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, northeastern Caroline County in eastern Maryland, northeastern Kent County in northeastern Maryland until 6:45 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Green Spring to near Cheswell to near Sandtown, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Middletown, Smyrna, Camden, Clayton, Greensboro, Cheswold, Millington, Bowers, Goldsboro, Woodside, Viola, Hartley, Rising Sunday, Lebanon, Woodland Beach, Hazlettville, Delaney Corner, Dover Base Housing, Dover Speedway, and Sandtown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.